bugs with giant claws. C is for cow. Cow. Moo moo in the field. Milk is what she yields.
Yum!
D is for deer. 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 Leaping high and free.
Wee!
Fast as fast can be.
Zoom!
E is for elephant.
Elephant!
Elephant. Big long trunk goes swish.
Swish!
Stomps just like a dish.
Trump!
F is for fox.
Fox!
Fox. Orange tail so fine.
Fine!
Sneaky in the pine.
Pine!
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe!
Giraffe. Neck so tall and proud.
Tall!
Almost in the cloud.
Wow!
H is for hedgehog.
Hedgehog!
Hedgehog. Rolls into a ball.
Ball!
Spikes that don't fall.
Small!
I is for iguana.
Iguana!
Iguana. Climbs up trees so green.
Green!
Coolest lizard seen.
Yeah!
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish!
Jellyfish. Floating in the sea.
Wee!
Wiggly, jiggly, free.
Free!
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Hop and hop. Never gonna stop.
Pop!
L is for lion. Lion. Mighty mane so gold. Roar so brave and bold.
Row!
M is for monkey.
Monkey!
Monkey.
Monkey!
Swings from tree to tree.
Wee!
Bananas just for me.
Yum!
N is for numbat.
Numbat!
Dunna numbat.
Numbat!
Licks up bugs real quick.
Quick!
Tail so bushy thick.
Thick!
O is for owl. Owl. Hoots when night is near.
Who?
Flies without a fear.
Woo!
P is for penguin.
Pup!
Penguin. Slides on icy ground.
Wee!
Waddles all around.
Round!
Q is for quail. Quack, quail. Bobs its little head.
Bop!
Hides where flowers spread.
Pop!
R is for raccoon. Raccoon. Creeps at night with flair.
Sneak!
Stripy tail in air.
Peek!
S is for sheep. Sheep. Wool so white and fluff.
Soft!
Bah, that's not enough.
Bah!
T is for turtle. Turtle. Slow but full of charm.
Smile!
Carries his own farm.
Home!
U is for unicorn.
Unicorn!
Unicorn. Sparkle in the sky.
Shine!
Magic gallop by.
Fly!
V is for vampire bat.
Vampire!
Vampire bat. Glides through silent dark.
Zoom!
Never leaves a mark.
Boo! Boo!
A is for heddle. Whale. Sings beneath the tide.
Ooh!
Ocean's peaceful rise.
Slide!
X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. You can see right through.
Wow!
Glows in water blue.
True!
Y is for yak. Yak. Hairy and so bold.
Cold!
Lives where it's cold. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Stethoscope locked and lines.
Fine!
Gallus not tonight.
Chit! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! From A to Z, come rap with me. Say the letter, then the animal, easy! A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cow. Moo. D is for deer. Leap. E is for elephant. Stomp. F is for fox. Quick and slick. G is for giraffe. So tall. H is for hedgehog.